Well, welcome to the video. People have been asking about that one. It's Francois Coro. It's in amazing condition. It's marked Coro on one side and Francois on the other. I think it's on, oh Lord. I think it's on these things. No, let me see. I'm knocking everything over. Well, there's a mark there. There's one mark there that looks like Francois. Where's the Coro? Is that the Coro? I think that's the Coro. Yeah, that's the Coro. Okay. Anyway, it's going to go on eBay. I'll put a link in this description. That way, since several people have been asking, whoever wants it can get it. I don't ever end auctions early or any of that. I let them run to the end. So an update, and I forgot to bring them, of the Louis Vuittons is they do test sterling. And thank you everyone. I was such a ding dong. I had no idea that those letters were LV. And so I don't know if they're authentic or not, but it does test sterling. There's apparently inauthentic ones that say have test sterling, but they don't have the stones. And my stones are on. You can see it in the last video. They're on part of the L and part of the V. So this bag, the $5 bag, I went back out there today. She had 4 more bags, but they were smaller. Bummer. I mean, you know, don't you hate it when you show interest and then people start taking advantage? So I went ahead and got them, but guess what? Their little credit card thing wouldn't work, and I did not take cash with me. So I let them know. I said, you know what? I'm good at some more if she'll make them nice and cute like the last bag. I said, it's all very nice wearable jewelry. Would make some terrific stocking stuffers for friends of mine. But she made them smaller. And he said, well, I'll let her know. I said, you know, I'm good on 20 bags, you know, if she would make them like she did. So we'll see. So he kind of put the ones of 4 aside for me, and he gave me 25% off. And so we'll see what happens. So here we go. Like she's got tons of jewelry like this, and I look, but it's just I'm not going to be buying. Now this is all this dark marks. I don't know if those will come off. And she's got what looks like stone, but apparently they were not very cold, so I believe that that was plastic. That's a nice, cool little bracelet, something different. This says it's going to be a best friends necklace. Let's see. You know, it would help if I would just empty this out. See, this is packed pretty good. And I've been enjoying just the designs and shapes. Okay, that's cute. You know, brand new, never been worn. 2 necklaces. 2 little smiley faces. You wear one, you give one to your friend. I wonder if this is going to be anything marked. A little bear claw or animal foot. If anybody knows anything more on those, let me know. But no, not sterling on that one. Still, it's cute. Might be a symbol for somebody's football team or something. I really don't know. What I'm going to do is put the wearables, silver necklaces, at some point, not now. I don't have time now. I am putting Coro on tonight. But some of these others eventually will go on eBay. That's kind of cute. Well, it's really, I mean, it has never been worn. Don't want that pink to get dirty. That's going to go in my bracelet lot. I've got about 3 more bracelet lots going. That's pretty. Let me see, what does that say? SAC. If you know who that is, let me know. It's like a pretty rose or something. Did it break? It was a necklace. Hold on. I think this broke off of this. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's supposed to have another part. Surely that doesn't just go on there, no. So that's broken, but that's be a cute charm. Oh, okay, Sheila says, wait a minute, don't just throw that over there like it's nothing. I'll take a ring, even if it is a plastic spider ring. Now this is broken. This is one of the few things. Of course, she doesn't say that this stuff is not broken. I don't even know what she calls these bags. But that's pretty. The front is nice. Look at that. I wonder if you could... Oh, wait, it is broken right there. You could make a pendant out of that. I think you could. Does that close? Yeah, that closes. So I wonder if you could, like, put a string through there or something. Chain. That's pretty. Oh my, I'm just dropping stuff. Well, we've seen some like this before. A pair of earrings. I'm getting together a little bag of pairs, you know. They'll be on there eventually. That's kind of like a satiny type material with these little, somebody made that. It's not bad. What are these? These are like little ghost earrings. Those are kind of cute. What is this? Heineken. Well, now somebody would like that. You know? Don't y'all think? Oh, it's kind of, well, no, it's metal, but it's like a lightweight aluminum. I could see a college student wearing that. This is a charm that's like a pair of skis. It's got corrosion, so it's not silver. It's kind of different. That'll go in the craft lot, I guess. Somebody made this out of a safety pin. Probably a Sunday school project. This is missing. Well, these look pretty. Well, maybe they're not missing anything. Hold on here. I don't know. I'll have to have my friend look at this. Now, it's not amethyst or anything. It's glass. She's so good at putting things, there we go. That's actually kind of nice. Beautiful colors, if you like lavender and purple. And this is sort of a bronzy tone. Brassy, bronzy tone. It's kind of pretty. It's a little puka shell necklace. Oh, look, Sheila. What do you think about that one, Sheila? Think you might like that one? There you go. Sheila, you're just cleaning up today. Something's written in there. And sometimes these little adjustables can be sterling. What does this say? Well, I'll have to be looking this up. Cleinman with a C and Sons. Cleinman and Sons. I'll have to look that up. That's pretty. Is that amethyst? Y'all, this could be amethyst. Could be amethyst. Shelly? Could be amethyst. You're going to have to wrestle that one out from your mom. Oh, yeah. That's right. Yeah, that's pretty. Billy Bob, he's bobbing along. Bobbing along. I don't think we'll get any gold out of any of these. But he's like, that's okay. Just hanging out. Glad my wife and daughter got something. This is kind of pretty, kind of cute. This little bracelet. Y'all are like, well, if we could see it. If we could see it, it might just get a little cuter. Yeah. Here's a little necklace. This is like that liquid silver stuff. I never do believe that that stuff is real silver. It's just plastic beads on there. Is this a ring? Surely not. I mean, there is no way. This has to be a scarf tie or something. This is just a, you know, a necklace where you could put a big chunky pendant on that. Let me see what these little things say. Shen and Tun, Shenton. It's a Sheng Tong. Sheng Tong. That's got to be in China. Sheng Tong. It's leather. I'll have to look that one up. I need to put these aside. Sorry, Shelley, to remind me to look them up. Some earrings. They may have the mate in there. Is this another? I don't know what that is. This is corroded, or it just seems real old. It's been exposed to some water at some point, or moisture. Of course, we have a high humidity around here. It's not marked. I'm going to say that's another amethyst. That's what I'm going to say. There you go, Shelley. Uh-oh. Why is everything falling down all the time? And that looked interesting. Okay. It's a little pin. It works. These are cold. So those are either glass or some kind of stone. And I don't know how these things hook up, but it's kind of broken. May not matter. I don't know. I don't know if that's like a yellow jade or if it's glass. They're kind of cloudy and they are uneven in tone. I'll have to take a better look at that. But we'll give that to Shelly just in the hopes of tea time. This is looking pretty. That one viewer, I can't remember everybody's little thing, but you collect those crosses. That's a really pretty one. Whatever it was attached to, it's broken, but look at that. It's like an enamel. It has 4 pretty stones with the rose. Here's an interesting carved wooden beads, and yeah, I guess it's all beads. It's kind of interesting. Wooden necklace. There's a pretty little gold. Come on, Billy Bob, what do you think? This is so small. Anything that small has got to be real, doesn't it, Billy Bob? I don't know if there's writing or not. Probably not. Very tiny, delicate. It looks like it's copperish. No, it doesn't. It's gold colored. I don't want to get Betty out right now. I want to live in the possibility of finding something good. Nope. No writing on that. What do you say, Betty? Bummer, Billy. Still a pretty little necklace. Pretty little cross. Here's one of these, another one. Oh, these snaky things. Somebody wanted to. This looks like she bought this at a garage sale. What in the world? This coming unraveled. This is gonna have to go in the craft. I don't know that this is wearable anymore. And it's also losing it's lost a lot of its silver color. Here we go. Couple of big earrings, keeping them together. Nice. I don't know, this goes off of something. Fell off of something. Are these like little lockets? I don't know what they are. No, that's not a locket, but this one, oh, no, not lockets. Little charms. Little heart charms, and then here's another one of those. Pins. So she's keeping the heart theme in here. Now this looks like a locket. It's engraved on there. This is a pretty locket, y'all. Wow. I don't know. Wait, wait. Don't drop it. I think there might be some... No. Yep. It's gold filled, okay? GF, so don't get too excited, but Billy Bob, right down in here, it says 1/20th 12K GF. Hey, we'll take a gold filled, and that is just beautiful. Billy Bob, dude, you got lucky. You just amazed me. I mean, seriously. Okay, let's look at what's left at the bottom of this little bag. Broken rusted chain. This is really interesting. Oh, it's broken. It was a, what do you call that? Old, gosh. Spinning wheel, something. Pretty cool there. Oh, there's another one. It's not broken. Well, I don't know if that thing closes or not. That's cute. I like that. And to end it, we have an R, plastic R, so this isn't going to be real. Thank y'all for joining us on that one. And I think I'm going to try to open one of those bigger bags. We still have this junk bag from Sue that looks pretty cool. Still have that to look forward to. See y'all next time.